there, welcome back. Well, I promised, yes, we're gonna continue working on the Ferrari parts. So, today's that day. Never mind the fucking door. Somebody take it from me, please. Well, yes, please take it. It has to leave. I don't want this thing in my garage anymore. So, I'm gonna wreck it. And finally got a haircut. Although we're still in a lockdown, the hairdressers are opened again. That's a good thing. So, well, makes you feel good when you go outside. Well, so today we're gonna work on the parts. We're gonna start cleaning them one by one. But before we start, I want to show you this one. I already told you about the distributors last week, and well, they were a mess. Just look at these pictures. I think so. These were a mess, so they're almost completely replaced. I corrected matched the numbers. Also these parts, I don't know how you call this one, but I got new ones, so I'm gonna deliver them with the parts to the dealership. So every part that is on this piece of cardboard is going to go back in the box, and we don't have to touch this anymore. I think maybe do some cleaning on these parts. Yeah, definitely. But Guus will have to sort that out. I want to start today with, what shall we do? Maybe just pick some of the tubes and start cleaning them, and then we can see how far we get. I got about 2-3 hours today, so a lot of work we can do in that time. And hopefully Thursday, for you that's going to be next week, I hope, but I can visit my car and have a look at the progress, and probably, if all odds are right, then the car will be finished about 4 weeks from now. And well, that's from now when you see this video. Yeah, but never mind. So good news. Let's continue. Few weeks also, then the door is coming, and that door is gone. But the other door is coming. So and then the garage is all man cavey, and only one thing I have to do. I'm going to show you what I want to do. Leave a comment if you don't like it. I can change my mind, but I want to put the board of fames on the doors of the garage. And also I need to work on the lighting, because here has to be a plate. I want something like a television maybe here, so I can watch Formula 1 in here. And then you have to have some smooth lighting, but this corner is a little bit dark and this corner is very good. So can't wait to have my Ferrari back here. So let's start working today, guys. So, so as you can see, I just started cleaning some basic parts. These parts belong, and look how clean it looks. Might not be perfect, but remember guys, this car is meant to be driven. So most important, it has to be clean, has to be prepared, and has to look good. But it doesn't have to look like a clean racing machine like you see there that will never be used. So another part of the air conditioning system, and when I finish I'm gonna put all the parts of different systems next to each other so you can see how they work together. Maybe I can tell you something more about it. Just like this part, a tensioner I think of the air conditioning system. Over there you have the air conditioning system. I'm gonna do that other time. And I also just cleaned the lubrication system box that fits like, oh sorry, like this on the cooling thing, thingy thing. I don't know how it's called, but as you can see, probably, yes, it's all cracked. So what we're gonna do now is sand it down and paint it black, and not on the inside, only the outside. Somebody has already done it. And also I just noticed, I don't know where this part is from, I have to check it out, but look, we got another burnt part. So I think I am very grateful I did this, because this machine was in danger. Imagine, where? Hello? Why am I? Yeah, there we are. So I think that this machine was in danger of catching fire. And imagine, wow, my dream burning up. That would be terrifying. So let's get sanding, painting, and then hopefully I can do some more cleaning, because I forgot to order enough of the brake fluid cleaning stuff. So that's all that we've got left now. So, but let's continue. Well, today we did some cleaning, and here it is. You see me spray this thing. Looks a lot better, but still, if you look closely, you still see the crackle. Yeah, I said I would leave it like this, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. It looks black, that's okay. From a distance here, you see it looks good. Also did some other parts cleaning, just basic cleaning, just because between the spraying. And we're gonna go in detail or in on the next video, because time was running out and I was cold and I hadn't too much to do. But good thing is, about 4 weeks, I already said it, the car is finished. But well, I just got the call that the engine is not going in, but the car is coming first here. I'm gonna put it back together, then the car is going back to the dealership to get the engine in, because simply I think the engine isn't finished yet, completely finished. It was finished, but they had some parts waiting. I don't know. I don't care. I'm okay with the solution taking too long, but 4 weeks, the car will be here. Then I can start reassembling it, and then the engine will go in, and maybe this year I can drive. So, well, the airco unit, go have a look. I didn't clean it quite properly, but I just did an overall clean, and I have to take it apart. Thing never worked, so maybe after this still doesn't work, but who cares? Who needs an airco when you have an open rooftop? So, thank you for watching. See you again next week. Please like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want, but help me out here and make this channel a success, or at least give me motivation to keep on making videos, not movies, videos. So thanks for watching and goodbye.